Dreams about feces. Interpretation and meaning of dreams about feces. Believe it or not, dreaming about feces isn't all that uncommon. Usually, aside from really crazy sexual fantasies, maybe including whatever is getting defecated on probably represents something worthless to you. This might actually be a good thing, indicating someone of a cleaning of the things you feel are unnecessary. These could be people in your life that display negative ideas, emotions or attitudes. If you're the one covered in feces, it could indicate that you don't have a particularly high self-esteem at the moment. Your mind, body, spirit or soul is trying to tell you to clean up your life. Getting rid of negatives surrounding you, especially stress and unresolved issues, would probably make you feel a lot better. For what it's worth, some cultures believe that feces in your dreams mean a financial windfall of profits are on the way. This is a particularly strong indicator if the feces are in your hand.